nurses yen wuna nwere. Rudun to one me ran to a PhD degree ngula we are going to go. So what are you doing? You're taking the wealth somewhere else. La riang and diru kula community doing be an angrar be an angwamadian. So to me, gwaji a positive thing she majia. Go manatinish chiran board up. Bagada money be bila brun. Bagada money be bila brun, but guara gada money be mogwa be well community. So see it as an investment. Chinya kuna decide kia dong kun ibika invest ka community. By the way, I'm 40. I'm not 50. So when you say whole, we're talking about 60, 70. Okay? So when we are in our 40 or 45, meet 40, 50, we're not whole. Quit playing. We might not have babies, but Chica can hold. Okay? So please allow these people, allow individuals to choose who they want to be with. It's not everybody else's business. Take your jantade mewal, always a ger, take your change. So you got to do what you got to do. In order to bro to build up. Okay, you become something, you need someone to lift you up. And that's what these women are doing. These older men, that's what they are doing. They're lifting up the community. They're investing in their community. They're sharing their wealth. So it takes somebody to lift someone up. Lamna ja nana like that, And it said,